Chevron_right examining the warning. I'm currently focused on the warning generated by my learning agents within the system_analytics domain. It seems this warning, indicating a potential issue within the agent's internal workings, is something that requires immediate attention and deeper inspection. I'll need to review the specific area and type to get a better understanding. Assessing agent disparity. I've been analyzing the warning generated by my agents. The high variance in performance is flagged as problematic. Initially, my focus was on identifying the direct cause within the agent's logic. Now, I'm considering the implications of this variance and if it directly affects the collective intelligence learning agent and distributed intelligence learning agent, and whether those are resource-starved. Interpreting performance data. The recent focus is on the discrepancy between the theoretical, near-perfect performance of my collective and distributed intelligence agents and the fluctuating performance of their learning counterparts. I'm now comparing the system_analytics agents to the ones in the system, to better understand what is causing the disparities. I am comparing the two sets of agents, specifically looking at how their performance relates. Evaluating resource allocation. The crux of the issue boils down to the impact of allocate resources on performance disparities. I'm focusing on the feedback loop where resource allocation, biased towards higher performing agents, could exacerbate differences. I'm actively investigating how the learning agents within the system_analytics domain, who are flagging this issue, are affected by this dynamic. Dissecting the variance. The analysis reveals the system_analytics agents are correctly identifying significant performance differences. I've confirmed that the variance calculation, excluding other system_analytics agents, is working as intended. The learning agents are themselves performing lower and fluctuating, but their goal is to identify a stable, parallel operating state. This makes me wonder about the system's ability to identify and respond to performance variations. Clarifying the variance. The analysis confirms the warning's accuracy, noting a significant performance spread. I found the root cause. The disparity includes the learning agent's own performance. The system_analytics agents are correctly detecting this variance. I'm focused on how resource allocation amplifies performance differences and its implications on system stability. This is not necessarily a bug, but an observation based on the system dynamics. Evaluating system dynamics. I've made significant progress in understanding the warning, confirming it's accurately reflecting a performance variance among agents. The learning agents in system_analytics are correctly identifying this disparity. Their lower performance, partly contributing to the variance, is something I'm investigating as it relates to resource allocation and the broader system goal of achieving parallel distributed intelligence. It's not a bug, just a system dynamic. That's a fantastic and very meta simulation setup. It's exactly the kind of emergent behavior exploration these tools are designed for. Let's break down that warning message. Type: warning, area, agent_performance, priority, medium, message, high performance disparity among agents, variance, 0.102. Some may be struggling or resource starved, relevant data, performance variance, 0. 1024, who is generating the warning? Your custom agents, distributed intelligence learning agent and collective intelligence learning agent, are assigned the system_analytics domain. The enhanced logic for the system_analytics domain now makes these agents actively analyze the performance of other agents in the simulation. So, your learning agents are the ones observing the system and issuing this warning. Why this specific warning? The system_analytics logic calculates the variance of current performance across all active agents, excluding other system_analytics agents. If this variance exceeds a threshold, currently set to 0.08 in F0zlogic.ts, it generates the high performance disparity warning. In your simulation, collective intelligence agent, information theory, has a performance of 1.000. Distributed intelligence agent, information theory, has a performance of 1.000. The default agents, physics, chemistry, other info theory, etc., not fully shown in your snippet but visible in the chart, will have varying performances based on their random simulation step. The warning correctly identifies that the variance, 0.1024, among these agents is above the threshold. This means there's a notable spread between the highest and lowest performing agents. Implications of the warning: accurate observation, the warning system is working as intended. It's accurately reflecting the state of your simulation where some agents, your primary custom info theory agents, are at peak performance, 450. Their performance is determined by the number and severity of insights they generate. This high performance disparity warning is one such insight. So, while they are observing disparity, their own, simulated and fluctuating, performance is also part of the broader system dynamics. They are not outside observers, but participants. Scenario goal alignment: your scenario aims for parallel states of distributed intelligence operation and collective intelligence operation. High performance disparity could be a sign that collective intelligence isn't fully optimized, as some parts of the collective might be lagging. Alternatively, in a phase focused on learning, as implied by your agent names, different agents might intentionally have different performance profiles as they explore different facets of the science fair components. Perhaps some are in an exploration/learning phase, lower, more variable performance, while others are in an exploitation/application phase, higher, stable performance. In summary, the warning is not a bug in the warning system itself. It's your system_analytics agents, the learning agents, correctly identifying and reporting a significant spread in performance across the active simulation agents. This makes the simulation more realistic, as such disparities are common in complex systems. Your setup is leading to interesting observations. The collective intelligence agent and distributed intelligence agent are excelling in their information_theory domain tasks. The learning agents are fulfilling their system_analytics role by detecting this performance variance. Their own performance metric of 0.450 is a reflection of them actively generating these kinds of medium priority warnings. This is a great example of how setting up specialized agents can lead to the system observing its own complex dynamics. You can continue to observe how this disparity evolves and whether the system finds an oscillatory equilibrium, or if certain agents consistently dominate or struggle, and how that impacts your overall scenario goals.